Hi Slovak learners! Ahojte! Have you ever wondered how to accept or deny an invitation in Slovak language? Today, in Linguarte, we'll show you many useful words and phrases for it. Let's start! Začíname! To make invitations, called in Slovak pozývať, we can do it in the following way. Máš voľno sobotu ráno? Are you free on Saturday morning? Robíš dnes večer niečo? Are you doing anything tonight? Čo robíš po práci? What are you doing after work? Máš nejaké plány na víkend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you want to do something? Chceš niečo robiť? Chcel alebo chcela by si. Would you like? Nešli by sme. Why don't we go? Poďme si zahrať. Poďme. Let's play or let's go. Zaujímalo by ťa. Would you be interested in? Rozmýšľala som, či by si nechcel alebo nechcela. I was wondering if you would like to. Chcel alebo chcela by som ťa pozvať. I would like to ask you. Chceli by sme ťa pozvať. We would like to ask you. Pozývame vás na konferenciu. We are inviting you to the conference. In order to accept an invitation, prijať pozvanie, you can say jasné, sure, samozrejme, of course, rád alebo rada prídem. I would love to come. To znie super. That sounds great. Určite, budem tam. Definitely, I'll be there. Ďakujem, rád alebo rada by som. Thanks, I will be glad. Teším sa na naše stretnutie. I'm looking forward to our meeting. To je výborný nápad. O koľkej? What a great idea. What time? S radosťou. With pleasure. To refuse an invitation, odmietnúť pozvanie, we can say prepáč, nemôžem. Sorry, I can't. Obávam sa, že nemôžem. I'm afraid I can't. Rád alebo rada by som, ale mám toho naozaj veľa. I would love to, but I'm really busy. Možno na budúce. Maybe some other time. Neviem, či to stihnem. I'm not sure I'll make it. Je mi to ľúto, ale mám už iný program. I'm sorry, but I already have other plans. Ďakujem za pozvanie, ale bohužiaľ sa nemôžem zúčastniť. Thank you for the invitation, but unfortunately I can't attend. Thank you very much for learning with us. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!